The trial of former President Donald Trump, accused of attempting to undermine the outcome of the 2020 presidential election, is set to commence on March 4, 2024. This date was determined by U.S. District Judge Tanya Chutkan after a heated hearing in Washington, D.C. Judge Chutkan made this decision after an extended debate over when the trial should start. She explained that the proposed January 2024 start date suggested by Special Counsel Jack Smith did not allow sufficient time for the defense to prepare. On the other hand, Trump's suggestion of starting the trial in April 2026 was deemed excessively delayed. Chutkan emphasized that trial dates should not be contingent on a defendant's personal or professional commitments, although she did take into account Trump's other criminal indictments trial schedules. The chosen trial date overlaps with another set in New York, where Trump faces charges related to violating state laws by concealing hush money payments through false bookkeeping. Trump's attorney, John Lauro, expressed compliance with the set schedule, but noted his concern that the trial date might hinder Trump's access to effective legal counsel. The hearing's intensity prompted Judge Chutkan to intervene twice, urging the involved parties to remain composed. During the hearing, prosecutor Molly Gaston argued that expediting the trial against Trump was crucial due to his frequent social media posts. Gaston asserted that these posts often targeted witnesses and impugned the court's integrity, potentially influencing the jury pool. Judge Chutkan cautioned that she would monitor any statements that Trump or his legal team made about the trial or Washington, D.C., leading up to the trial date, as such comments could bias the jury pool. Jack Smith's team had initially proposed a trial start date of January 2, 2024, with an estimated presentation of evidence lasting 4 to 6 weeks. This would place Trump in court during the initial months of a presidential election year, coinciding with primary voting for Republicans. In response, Trump's legal team argued against this timeline, asserting that it clashed with Trump's other ongoing criminal and civil cases, including the classified documents case, the New York hush money case, and the Georgia election subversion case. In addition, the defense contended that the substantial amount of discovery materials provided by prosecutors, nearly 12.8 million pages, was misleading. They argued that much of this material came from entities connected to Trump, and its presentation made it seem more extensive than it actually was. Trump is facing 4 counts in this case, including conspiracy to defraud the United States and obstruct an official proceeding. The latter charge has already been successfully brought against individuals involved in the January 6, 2021 Capitol breach. Trump pleaded not guilty to these charges earlier in the month.